In this video we will make a clock icon, with variations for different times. We have already drawn the basic clock, with hour and minute hands. Go into Options, then select the Edit tab. Now we change the constraint angle to 30 degrees. Double-click the minute hand so that we get the rotate controls. Hold down Control and move the center of rotation to the far left. It now rotates from the center of the clock. Rotating the second hand with Control pressed now gives us 30-degree rotations. We save the file and repeat this until we have all of the hour segments made.